तो so he said that मैंने कहा टाइटल है कि how to present a 1 minute, how to prepare for a 1 minute presentation, not exactly present, how to prepare for a 1 minute presentation. So he was like, he smiled and he said, yeah, you guys are lucky. आप SPA में है तो आपको 1 minute मिलता है, हमें तो सिर्फ 30 seconds मिलते हैं. So I'm like, yes, we definitely are very lucky. We are getting such a good time. So I'm going to give some points कि इसको प्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं. वैसे सबके प्रेजेंटेशंस बहुत अच्छे हैं, but a few things if you can just put it in your presentation, it will be wonderful. अभी भी बहुत wonderful है आपके presentations. First and the foremost, पहला step हमें ये देखना है, जो मैंने बहुत कम लोगों से देख रहा हूँ, is that you need to first write down your speech. ये बहुत important है. Very few people I see doing that. One is Shabir sir, which I always see. He has always got a written speech. Okay. Now, why is this important? ये क्यों important है? Because examination हम सब ने दिए हैं. हम छोटे थे 10th standard exams. Okay. Exam के लिए हम सब कुछ पढ़ के याद करके जाते थे. But जब आंसर लिखते थे, तो क्या full points हम लिखते थे वहाँ पे? No, right? We would miss out a few points. इसी तरह यहाँ पे कुछ miss out ना हो, इसलिए हम it is better we write down a few points, okay? And हमारी normal 1 minute presentation की flow क्या है, कोई बताएंगे मुझे? Okay, see, this is not a teaching session, this is a training session. The difference between teaching session and training session is teaching is monologue and training is dialogue. So I expect some kind of interaction with all of you. क्योंकि monologue में क्या होता है, मैं ही बोले जाऊंगा, usually teachers keep on speaking and people get bored, okay? So let's have some interaction. So can anybody tell me what is the flow of our 1 minute presentation? कोई बताएगा मुझे?
First is the introduction.
Introduction, your name,
company name,
category, these things, what we usually say, okay? Now let's keep the flow the same, okay? लेकिन यहाँ पे थोड़े ideas मैं आपको दे दूँगा, थोड़े से, very for they are very unique and some smart ideas that I'm going to provide. लिख लीजिए, आपको बहुत काम आएगा ये, okay? So the first thing is यही flow में आपको सिर्फ ये exercise एक करनी है. 5 wives and 1 husband exercise करनी है आपको. Can anybody tell me what is this 5 wives and 1 husband? Except for synergy chapter people.
You said not to answer, so we'll
Except for synergy.
Except for synergy. Refrain ourselves.
क्या है ये?
बताया था आपने महाभारत के टाइम.
क्या है? What is this? 5 wives and 1 husband. Yes, Sujit ji. Anything come in your mind?
I think there are 5 W. What? Which,
Exactly.
Where,
Okay.
and H is for how.
Give me big hand. Good. 5 wives and 1 husband. Okay. अभी आपको क्या करना है? आपकी कंपनी है, आपका बिजनेस है. Just keep that in the middle and rotate around these questions. बस ये questions पूछ लो आप अपने कंपनी के बारे में. You'll get all the answers. Got the point? सिर्फ आपकी कंपनी के बारे में इतने questions पूछ लो, आपका presentation पूरा तैयार. I tell you how. Who, what, where, when, why and how. अपनी कंपनी को यहाँ पे रखो, ये सब क्वेश्चंस पूछो, आपका प्रेजेंटेशन तैयार. राइट और रॉन्ग? या आई जस्ट गिव यू a few more things. Who? शायद होगा you. My name is Shahid Ansari. My company is so and so. Okay, focus on your name, your company's name, your potential markets. Tell them what is my potential market, ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि आपकी potential market क्या है. Tell them your clients. Who are your clients? Whoever to whom you are providing your services, just tell them ये मेरे clients हैं. So that जब भी अगर मैं अगर बोलूँगा कि मेरे बादशाह मसाला वाले मेरे client हैं, so somebody sitting here who has contacts with Badshah Masala and he's like, okay, I'll get in touch with you, right? So these are some of the who's. What is your product? What is your service? What is your USP? What is your field of specialization and what kinds of offers and discounts do you give? ये सब भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो वहाँ पे presentation में. Next, where is your location? Where all do you supply your services? Pan India है या सिर्फ local है? You can add that. When did you start your business? कब से शुरुआत की है? अगर स्टार्टअप है तो भी I have seen few people जैसे मैंने अभी शुरू किया है, देखते हैं क्या होता है. You know, don't suppress yourself. Always, just tell them, I'm a startup, but I'm looking forward. My vision is this, right? And you see, आपके confidence देख के लोग आपको business देना शुरू करते हैं, right? Next, why? Why did you start your business? You can either share your passion or your importance. Why should people buy your products? क्यों buy करना चाहिए? Why should they buy your products? Tell them, I do this, I do that. I can give you this service, I can do that, so that people get motivated to buy your products. Okay? And how, if possible, a little bit of your process. Okay? Like if Sarita ma'am says that, okay, I will help you doing this. Just a small process. How do you go ahead? So people will get some idea to go ahead. Okay? So these are the simple things. सिर्फ इन questions को आपके कंपनी से जोड़ देना है, and you will get your presentation is ready. Okay? And next, step 3. आपको ये सब points accumulate करने हैं और next आपको सिर्फ practice करनी है. See, it is very important to practice your speech as well. हाँ, कई लोग बोलते हैं कि यार मुझे मेरे कंपनी के बारे में सब पता है, प्रैक्टिस करने की क्या जरूरत है, सब तो मुझे याद है. बट इट इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव अगर आप 2-3 बार से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, सो दैट यू डोंट फंबल और यू डोंट फॉरगेट योर स्पीच. ओके, सो एनी डाउट्स, एनी क्वेश्चंस? गुड, as it is we don't have much time. Next session I'm going to just share with you that how to prepare an 8-minute presentation या 10-minute presentation जो हम देते हैं. तो on these lines I'm going to tell you how to prepare it, and उसमें क्या-क्या आएंगे, how to begin a talk, like few interesting things that I saw beginning of a talk. Sarita ma'am's talk was very interesting, and Nitin Mane's talk was very interesting. He used a formula where people just see what is it doing. Okay, ये attract करना जो है वो बहुत important है. Okay.